Hello and welcome to another review. This time I'm reviewing the LEGO World Racers Blizzard's Peak set that came out in 2010. It retailed for $59.99 and has 6 minifigures and 504 pieces. Now let's get on to the build. Here is the first minifigure, which is Dextreme, and he is on Team Extreme, and he comes with his green and white outfit that Team Extreme has for their color scheme. And you can see the printing on the front. He comes with a green Power Miners helmet, and then there's the face print, and then there's the back printing on the torso and face. So that's it for Dextreme. Here is the second minifigure, and his name is Maxtreme, and he is also on Team Extreme. He has a different torso print, same leg print, and again, Power Miners helmet in green. And then there's his face print with the cool glasses, and then there's the back printing. So that's it for Maxtreme. Here is the third minifigure, and his name is Bubba, and he is on the Backyard Blasters team. You can see the printing on the torso there with the black and red, which is their color scheme. No leg printing. And he comes with this cool helmet, which I believe was first introduced in Space Police in 2009. So that's a really cool helmet. And then there's his face print and back printing on torso and face. So that's it for Bubba. Here is the fourth minifigure, who is Billy Bob, and again on the Backyard Blasters team. No leg printing. There's his torso print. He also comes with this helmet, which is really cool, and then there's his face print and back printing. Got their logo back there. So that's it for Billy Bob. Here is the fifth minifigure, and his name is Bart, and he is the third member of Backyard Blasters, and he has a different helmet with the logo on top. And then there's his torso printing, no leg printing again, and then there's his face print with the mask, and then there's his second face print and back printing. So that's it for Bart. And here is the sixth and final figure, which is the World Race Official, and he has the orange printing and stuff on him, and he has this silver helmet with the goggles, and then he has this printing on the face and torso, and then there's the back printing with the World Race logo. And yeah, that's it for the official and all of the minifigures. So now let's look at the first builds. Okay, so first off we have this trophy, which all of the World Race sets come with a trophy with a different sticker, and this one has the mountain as the sticker because that's where they're racing in the Arctic. So that's pretty cool. And then there's also this vehicle for the official. It's this snowmobile, and I think this is a pretty cool design for a snowmobile. I think it looks pretty good for not being a big part of the set. It's just a little small extra vehicle, and I think it looks nice. So that's it for these little parts. Now let's look at one of the main builds. Here is the first vehicle, which is Team Extreme's vehicle, and this is a weird vehicle. It's some type of snowmobile vehicle, and it has the green and white color scheme. And first the thing we have is like the ski at the front, which can turn up and do that. I don't know really what that's for. I don't understand this play feature. I don't know how it's supposed to be used or how it's supposed to work, but it's definitely interesting. But it also has two of these ball shooters, which you just push on it and it shoots it out. So that play feature works out decent, and you can open this, and that's where someone's supposed to sit. And you can also sit the second member back here. So, and it's a treaded vehicle, so it's kind of nice. It definitely looks interesting, this vehicle, and it has two of these ball shooters, so that works out pretty well. It's an interesting design. Not my favorite vehicle, but it's alright. I just don't know what this is for. But anyway, that's it for this vehicle. Now let's look at the second vehicle. And the second vehicle of this set is this helicopter for the Backyard Blasters. And I think the design for this helicopter is very, very cool. You know, it's very compact. And I like that. I like these bottom parts, how, you know, they look sturdy. And I just think this is a nice design for it. And then you can, you know, move the rotors. This doesn't move as fast as other helicopters I've seen. So now, and there's also this hook with the string. I never like the string parts and sets with the hook. I never liked that, but you can hook this like ice piece and then lower it down. You can just pick it up, and yeah, and you can, I guess they can drop it down to stop the other team from winning or something. But I think this helicopter is pretty nice. You got their sticker with their number on here, the 13, and then a lot of stickers in this set, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it's alright. It adds more detail. But anyway, that's it for their helicopter. So now let's look at the other vehicle for the Backyard Blasters. And here is the Backyard Blasters' second vehicle, which is this truck, and it's definitely my least favorite vehicle in this set. And it's just a weird design, but the main play feature is you could take, there's a second one of these ice boulder pieces, and you can put it back here, and you hold that back, and you can launch it, which I think this is a really good play feature. It works pretty well, and it's alright, one of the better play features I've seen in this theme. And you can open this up, and someone can sit in there, and someone could sit up here and control, I guess, the launcher up here. And you see it, the wheels are, it's very elevated from the wheels, so yeah. And you got the logo on the front, and when the vehicle moves, this blade in front, this like saw blade, it moves too, so like they can saw through stuff. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, there's not much else to this truck. It kind of feels empty back here, but I guess that's just to fit the mechanism so that nothing's in the way. But that's basically it for this vehicle and for this set. This is probably my least favorite set of this theme, but it's still alright. I like the idea of racing in the Arctic, so it's alright. I just don't like the builds too much, but still, it's an alright set. So anyway, that's all I have to say. So see you next time. Goodbye.